everyone, and welcome to the Femi Trader. Today we are going to dive into a fantastic resource for anyone interested in trading, particularly in the forex market. If you're just starting out and looking for a tool that can help enhance your trading experience, then TradingView is an excellent option. To begin, the first step to accessing TradingView is to create an account. You can easily do this by heading to the TradingView.com. They offer a free version which is perfect for beginners. Once you've signed up and logged in, you will find yourself on a user-friendly interface that is designed to be intuitive even if you don't have much experience in trading yet. Now, let's move on to finding a currency pair to analyze. You can start by searching for popular pairs such as Euro USD. This particular pair represents the exchange rate between the Euro and the USD dollar, and it is one of the most traded in the forex market. In the search bar at the top, simply type Euro USD and select it from the results. You will then be directed to the chart where you can begin your analysis. Once you have the chart open, it's time to dive deeper into your analysis by adding indicators. TradingView offers a range of technical indicators that can help you understand market trends and potential buy or sell signals. For example, the Relative Strength Index, they call it RSI, is a momentum oscillator that measures the speed and the change of price movement. It can help you identify overbought or oversold conditions, which are crucial for making informed trading decisions. To add an indicator like RSI, you can look for the indicator tab at the top of the screen. Click it and search for RSI. When you find it in the list, click to add it to your chart. You will immediately see the RSI line plotted below your price chart. Typically, an RSI above 70 suggests that a currency pair may be overbought, while an RSI below 30 may indicate that it is oversold. Another useful indicator to consider is the moving average. Moving averages can help you smooth out price data and identify trends over a specific period. You can choose between simple moving average, which gives equal weight to all price over the chosen period, or exponential moving average, which gives more weight to recent prices. To add a moving average, go to the indicator tab, search for moving average and select it. Adjust the setting to match your preferred time frame and you will see the average appear on your chart. One of the most rewarding aspects of using TradingView is that it is not only allow you to conduct technical analysis but also help you learn as you go. Experiment with the different features available. Try various indicators and chart style until you find the combination that works best for your trading strategy. Furthermore, don't forget to make use of the community aspect of TradingView. You can follow other traders, share your thoughts, and even learn from their analysis. It's a powerful way to enhance your understanding of trading techniques and stay updated on the market trend. So there you have it. Today we've covered the basic of using TradingView for forex analysis, including setting up your accounts, searching for currency pairs, and utilizing some essential indicators. By starting this fundamentals, you will be well on your way to developing your trading skills. If you found this information helpful, make sure to save it for later reference. Don't forget to follow me for more insights and tools related to trading. Thank you for watching and happy trading. I'll see you on my next video. Bye.